Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to activate Siri with the Apple earbuds with Lightning connector. This is the Lightning connector, which as you can see is the same one that charges your phone or iPad, and it works physically by connecting to the phone. So let's say that we are walking and we want to know what the weather is like. All we have to do is on the physical command here in the middle is press and hold for a few seconds. So we press and hold. What's the weather today? And it should process that. Okay, let's press and hold. Let's just get out of here. Press and hold. What's the weather today? It's thinking. There we have the weather. So basically all you have to do is press and hold, and then you speak your thing. You don't hold it like I did on the first one. So we can get out of there, press and hold. Where can I go eat? And it shows us restaurant options in the area. So yeah, basically that's how we activate Siri with the AirPods with Lightning connector. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.